Hello, welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself video, and today in our new series called Going Antiviral, I am going through different essential oils that you can use to put in your do-it-yourself projects that will help give your projects a little bit more fortification in fighting viruses. Okay. This one, Palmarosa, it is a very nice smelling essential oil. Smells like roses, and it might be a little bit pricey. Just a disclaimer, I am not endorsing any of the essential oils that you see, any of the companies. These are some that I have in my collection that I use for different things, and I just want you to know that. Okay, so anyway, antiviral means prevent viral growth. Essential oils come from plants, and a lot of plants, as they grow in the natural world, encounter our pollutants, what we put in the air. In order for these plants to survive, basically to survive humankind, they generate their own antibodies. I'm using the word antibodies here, but they create these essential oils. Basically, it's their DNA changing and trying to combat and help these plants stay healthy in our environment. There's a lot of journals, scientific journals, that are looking into essential oils, and it is no coincidence that you are seeing a lot of essential oils and over-the-counter remedies, because now people are realizing that essential oils can be beneficial to us. Now, Palmarosa, that's a name that that you probably hear, and this is 100% pure essential oil. But to make sure that you are getting a real, true essential oil, you want to take a look at the packaging, and you want to find the Latin name for it on your essential oil. And so here's the Latin name. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there under ingredients, and it's called Cymbopogon martinii. Martini. Wow, this being in quarantine, everything is pointing toward liquor. Anyway, yes, so this is when you see the Latin name on the packaging, you are on your way knowing that you have a real one there, a real essential oil, and you're not dealing with a fragrance. Anyway, Palmarosa is not only antiviral, it's also antibacterial, antifungal, anti-infectious. There are so many therapeutic properties for it and so many therapeutic uses. And some of the ways that you might want to use it, like I said, it's a nice, sweet smelling, it smells like roses. This can be used in a diffuser. You can just put a couple of drops in a diffuser and let just breathe in the particles, breathe in the scent to clear the air. You also can use it as something as simple as just taking a few drops, putting it on a tissue and just breathing that in is a great way. You're going to the market, you want to make sure that you have a little bit more fortification than what your mask can provide. Go ahead and probably sprinkle your mask with that, and it'll smell good, and you might get the additional benefit of the oil. And also down below, I will put the link to my hand sanitizer, my do-it-yourself hand sanitizer. Sorry about that. My do-it-yourself hand sanitizer recipe. And then you can see there, depending on how much you make, how many drops of this you can put in your hand sanitizer to give it a little bit more oomph, so to speak. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like that, hit the subscribe button. Okay, till next time.